Rico Schumann. I'm 27 years old and I'm from Koblenz in southwest Germany. I've been playing drums since the age of 10 years, and I started playing drums at a local jazz club because my parents weren't able to support my left drumming, and since there was no teacher around, I started to teach myself how to play drums. Yeah, I've been playing in some rock and some punk rock bands, but currently I'm an independent artist. I'm using the Collision Drumsticks 5BR, and I love them not just because of the durability, they're also awesome balance and the rebound is just freaking amazing. But also Collision Drumsticks as a brand is just awesome because no question left unanswered, and there's one big family who's working on one and the same target. That's just freaking awesome. You got so much support from the family, from the community, and it's just a motivation, a mental push. Yeah, that's all about me, and I'm going to play Rabbit Hole by Blink-182.
Dear head, shut up. I can't listen no more. It's late, so shut up. It's one night too much to ask for. You are haunted house. You're superstitious. You are the coldest stone of faces. I won't go down that broken rabbit hole. Baby, set it on the ground.